Hi guys, welcome back to 5 Things PK. On the demand of one of you guys, I'm making this video about the top 5 computer basics everyone should know. If you're new to computers, or even if you've used one for a while but want to brush up on the essentials, this video will help you understand the basics in a simple way. So let's begin. 1. Understanding hardware and software. The first thing every beginner needs to know is the difference between hardware and software. Hardware is everything you can touch physically, like the monitor that shows you the display, the keyboard where you type, the mouse you use to click, and the CPU or laptop body that runs everything. Even things like a printer, speakers, or USB are all hardware. Software, on the other hand, is not physical. You can't touch it, but you can see and use it. It includes the programs or apps that run on your computer, like Windows, Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, or even games. Think of it like this: hardware is your body, and software is your mind. Without the mind, the body doesn't work. Without the body, the mind has nowhere to live. So understanding this basic difference is the foundation of computer knowledge. 2. Operating systems. The second important basic is the operating system, often called OS. The operating system is the main software that controls everything on your computer. Without it, the computer is just a useless box. Windows, used in most offices, schools, and homes. macOS, used in Apple computers. Linux, more for programmers and tech experts. Learning the basics of your operating system will make life easier. For example, knowing how to create folders, moving files around, installing or uninstalling apps, changing settings like brightness, sound, or internet connection. Even simple tasks like shutting down your computer properly instead of just pulling the plug are part of understanding the operating system. 3. File management. The third basic skill is file management, and trust me, this will save you hours of stress. Every computer is like a huge library. If you don't organize it, you'll lose your books, or in this case, your files. Here are some key things to know. Creating folders. Keep your work organized. For example, one folder for school projects, one for personal photos, and one for office work. Naming files clearly. Instead of saving a file as Document 1, save it as Math Assignment September 2025. Saving files in the right place. Don't just click save without checking where it goes. Make sure you know the folder location. Deleting unwanted files. Don't let your computer get messy. Clear useless files regularly. Think of your computer like a house. If you throw everything on the floor, you'll never find what you need. But if you put things in cupboards and drawers, it's easy to get them when you want. 4. Internet and browsing. Number 4 is one of the most important basics. The internet and web browsing. Almost everything today runs on the internet, so you must know how to open a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Use Google search properly by typing keywords. For example, instead of typing "tell me who is the founder of Microsoft please," just type "founder of Microsoft." Open new tabs for different tasks so you don't lose your place. Bookmark websites you use often, like Gmail or YouTube. But along with using the internet, you must also learn internet safety. Don't click on suspicious links or ads. Don't share your passwords or personal information on unknown websites. Always download apps from trusted sources. Remember, the internet is powerful, but it can also be dangerous if you're not careful. 5. Basic troubleshooting. And finally, the 5th computer basic is basic troubleshooting. Computers are machines, and sometimes they slow down, freeze, or stop working properly. Instead of panicking, you can try some simple fixes. Restart the computer. You'll be surprised how many problems are solved just by restarting. Check internet connection. If a website isn't opening, maybe the internet is down, not your computer. Run antivirus scans. Viruses can cause problems, so keeping your antivirus updated is important. Check cables and connections. Sometimes the mouse or keyboard doesn't work because it's not plugged in properly. These small steps can fix 70–80% of common issues, and you don't always need to call a technician. And that's it! These were the top 5 computer basics everyone should know. On the demand of one of you, I made this video, and I hope it helps beginners feel more confident with computers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 5 Things PK for more amazing videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.